Hello, NSA Arizona. I'm Kate Delaney. I've met so many members of your chapter who I absolutely adore. I cannot wait to spend more time with all of you. What are we going to do in February? We're going to talk about earned, rented, and owned media. That's right. I even did a little sign for you. Here we go. I got to turn it the right way. Earned, rented, owned media. See the little heart there? NSA Arizona. So here's the deal. What does that mean? How can you take all of that, have earned, rented, again, and owned media, and leverage that across all platforms for more visibility, for closer connections, and frankly, bigger business? I'm going to show you that. Plus, we're going to tweak your wow if it needs tweaking. What do you clearly, confidently, concisely portray yourself as? And how do you get that message out there? I cannot tell you how excited I am. I love Arizona. I can't tell you how excited I am to spend some time with you. Again, NSA Arizona, I'm coming for you.